Hello everyone, this is Şerif Dubrakır. Right now we are in Ümraniye Istanbul Royanova project. Right in front of us, Istanbul Finance Center and Simpaş Finansşehir. You remember a couple of weeks back we were in Simpaş Finansşehir. Normally we don't come to the same location in a couple of weeks again, but we found that this project is a really good opportunity and it will not stay a couple more months, these apartments. The reason is Istanbul Finance Center will be opening in 2 years' time, which will be the biggest finance center in the world. Normally London, New York, Singapore, Dubai, Doha, these kind of cities has finance centers, and Turkish government is targeting to open a new finance center in Istanbul. What it means, Central Bank of Turkey will be moving from Ankara to Istanbul in 2 years' time, and around that İşbank, Ziraat Bank, Vakıf Bank, these kind of banks will be moving their headquarters around this central bank, and all the staff of this headquarters will want to work just near to their work areas. So this is Tem Highway. In front of Tem Highway, Royanova project is located in a walking distance to the Istanbul Finance Center. So let's start to the apartment, and in the meantime I will be going on explaining the location and the project. This is 2 beds, 101 square meter sample apartment in the actual building 15th floor. In this floor today we will see 2 more apartments of the samples, which is 1 bed and the studio. This is the 2 beds apartment, open plan kitchen, which has a nice balcony in front of the apartment, and all rooms also has some small balconies in front of their settlement. What I liked about this flat is its corner. So even this small living room is getting you a very nice daylight and amazing view. Such a project which has this kind of view you can barely find in Istanbul. On my behind I see all the buildings of Ataşehir, and it shows you what kind of facilities you have around your building. Acıbadem Hospital, some other private hospitals, private schools. So Büyükyaka Shopping Mall, Water Garden and Optimum is 15 minutes around you. Also just I see Fenerbahçe University is also here. And of course Istanbul Finance Center is here as well. Before starting the tour, I would like to tell you starting price of these 2 beds are $200,000, and mostly high floors are left right now, so which is an advantage. You will have a nice view. This living room is coming with this nice kitchen with gray color and white countertop, and what I see, the white goods they have used is Leisure series of Arçelik, which is a unique series with its design. It's a nice look. It's coming with the microwave, oven, cooker, aspirator and the dishwasher included in the apartment. These white goods are included in the apartment. On this apartment they tried to show on the sample 6 people can dine in this location, and they settled the small furnitures, but it looks good in here. From this point we are passing to the entrance of the apartment. Entrance, this cupboard and sitting area for you wearing your shoes is coming with the flat. Just the mirror will not come, what we learned. It's a nice furniture included in the apartment, and here they have the technical pipes for the heating electrical systems. By the way, heating of the flat is under the floor, and they are giving the air conditioning pipes are ready, just you need to put the split machine for the flat. This is the first bedroom. As you see, we have a small balcony over the bedroom. It can be a study room and getting a nice daylight from top to bottom. They settled a washing machine and dryer for here. It's good for the corridor settlement, nice space. And this is the main bathroom of this flat. For 2 bedrooms, they have only 1 bathroom. Maybe this might be the only disadvantage I have seen in this flat, but this bathroom is really huge because there is a chance that you can divide the space and add a master bathroom for your master bedroom. This is the master bedroom of the apartment. If you can come to this side, I would like to show something. You have seen bathroom is there, and there is this cupboard, is like a walk-in closet here, and just behind the master, behind the bathroom, so you can open door here and extend the bathroom to this side. So it is possible that you can turn this apartment with 2 baths. We have the balcony for the master bedroom. So our 2-bed apartment is like this. From this space, I would like to take you to sample apartment for 1 bedroom. So we will see all the samples. We have the central management for the camera and the reception. By the way, I would like to explain that they have designed this building like a hotel. There will be a reception in the entrance, and in the reception always there will be 4 staff waiting for you to manage your needs. So this is the 1 bedroom sample apartment. Let's see it. This is 1 bedroom sample apartment, 68 meters square gross size, 42 meters square net size. So when we close the door, this is our apartment. Kitchen is really good design that for a 1 bedroom apartment, it is cute and nice enough because you have the breakfast nook, you can have your dining in this table also. Architect really did a good design. They managed spaces really well. Well, you have the space for the fridge over here. Of course, fridge is not coming with the flat, but the space is ready. Same white goods has been used in this flat. You have the Leisure series cooker here, glass top, and again heating is under the floor. In the entrance of the apartment, there is this space for your shoes and the jackets, which is very well settled. We are in the middle of the day. What I see on all apartments, in this apartment also, very nice daylight is coming. So this is the bedroom of the 1 bedroom apartment. They put some seatings on the corner on the sample flat, but I'm sure you will want to go out to balcony sometimes. You will design it in different. There is a good enough space to put your cupboard. It is never too small for a 1 bedroom. And I guess this apartment will be good for renting out for the finance center stuff over here. And from this space, we are passing to master bathroom. This is the only bathroom of the apartment. And here there is a walk-in closet. Nice gray ceramics has been chosen. And in here, there is good space for the washer and dryer again. Let's look out from the living room balcony also. Living room is, I guess, around 20 meters square, good enough. And from balcony, we have the amazing view. And you have enough balcony that you can put some dining table for 2. You can have your shisha on this balcony. I think for 1 bedroom, it is some kind of privilege to have such balcony. And this 1 bedroom is 68 meters square gross, 42 meters square net size, starting price of $115,000, which is a good investment for the high floor apartments. If you buy 2 of them, maybe it will be suitable for the citizenship as well. From this space, we are now going to studio apartment. So this is the studio apartment, 48 meters square gross size, 27 meters square net size, and the starting price of $95,000. Studio apartments always come to me so cute because everything is so small and enough for one person to live inside. There is a huge cupboard which is coming with the flat cupboard in the entrance, and then the kitchen, which means that you don't need to purchase additional cupboards for the flat. White goods of leisure series of Arçelik again coming with the apartment. They designed this sofa as a turning into bed, but myself, I don't like turning sofa into bed again, turning again. So my opinion, they made some walk-in closet space here. It might be very good for a girl with many clothes, but my opinion, this separation is really good. Put some bed over here, so your bed will be always in the apartment, separated with the living area, which is not possible in all studio apartments, because this studio apartment is small but unique because it's corner. You see, you have window this side and you have windows this side as well. So this is a studio apartment, but not squeezed inside the building in the corner like a apartment which nobody wants to live. So this is studio apartment, everybody wants to live. You have a dining table space here enough, amazing kitchen, huge size, and you have the living area and some space for the bed. Let's see the bathroom as well of the studio. What I have seen, 2 bedrooms, 1 bedroom or studio, they never decrease the quality. Quality of the materials is really good on these apartments. This is the bathroom. It's good enough, small, tiny. It is following the tiny house movement, I guess, studio living. And the starting price of this studio apartment is $95,000. And I would like to end my video in this flat by mentioning the facilities of this building, what you are buying actually. It is not only an apartment, you are purchasing the space inside, you have an unlimited facilities, such as you have the spa, sauna, steam room, gym, swimming pool outside, which is you can use in summer, also you can use in the winter because they will be closing with glass and heating the pool in winter. On the 27th floor, there will be an amazing terrace with cafe and restaurant facilities. By the way, another privilege, you can order your food inside your apartment from this cafe as well. We have karaoke room, PlayStation room, meeting room. So it is kind of, we can say, fold-on concept, which the NEF is doing. It's a resonance with one block with all facilities you have. So my opinion, with the location, with the metro station is coming to finance center, with this quality, purchasing an apartment in this building will be very easy for you to find a tenant for your apartment. For a citizenship purpose, if you are thinking to purchase in Istanbul for future appreciation possibility, my opinion, you can get good ROI, return on investment from your apartment for the rental return. Also appreciation of the flats of the value. So thank you for watching. Today we did the explanation of Royanovo project in Ümraniye, right next to Istanbul Finance Center. The broker is out.